Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Curvani Booty Drops review. So, you might be wondering, what is the Curvani Booty Drops that you may be hearing or seeing online? So, Curvani Booty Drops here is a plant-based liquid dietary supplement marketed to support fuller-looking hips, thighs, and glutes. Now, according to the official website here, the product is designed to help support natural curves by combining herbal ingredients that the company says promote healthy hormone balance and blood flow. Now, Curvani positions the supplement as a non-surgical alternative for people looking to enhance their body shape without cosmetic procedures. Now, the formula contains ingredients including macaroot, fenugreek, beetroot, and ashwagandha. Now, according to the manufacturer, macaroot here and fenugreek are included to support healthy estrogen balance. Beetroot is intended to increase nitric oxide and support blood flow to the lower body during exercise, and ashwagandha is included to help manage cortisol, now a hormone associated with stress. Now, the company states that the formula is 100% plant-based and contains no added hormones. Now, how to exactly use this product here? Now, using Curvani Booty Drops is quite straightforward. Now, the official instructions recommend taking one full dropper, 2 ml, once per day, and placing the liquid under the tongue for faster absorption. Now, the company suggests taking it in the morning or on an empty stomach or about 30 minutes before a workout. Now, for the best results, Curvani recommends pairing the supplement with a high-protein diet, glute-focused exercise such as squats, hip thrusts, and Romanian deadlifts, along with proper hydration and rest. Now, the official website currently offers several purchasing options. A single bottle costs around $29.99, while bundle deals include 2 bottles with 1 free cream for $49.99 and 3 bottles with 3 free creams for like $69.99. Orders are typically processed within 1 to 2 business days, and the company offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, pricing and promotions may change over time, so keep that in mind. And that's essentially how Curvani Booty Drops actually work. They combine several herbal ingredients into daily liquid supplement that the manufacturer says support hormone balance and circulation as part of a body enhancement routine. Now, since this is a health-related supplement, it's highly recommended to consult a doctor or qualified healthcare professional before using any kind or taking in any kind of supplements like these. So this applies for any kind of supplements that you're going to take in the future, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have a hormone-sensitive condition, or are taking medications that may interact with herbal supplements. But that's about it. If you found this video, avoid the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.